Speak the English wey your customer understand. That is the easiest and the fastest way to close any sale, and trust me, it can even help skyrocket your sale. Now your customer can be comfortable speaking Yoruba, follow and speak Yoruba if you understand Yoruba, or God even bless you say this particular customer na from your tribe and they speak your language. Wetin you dey use English do? Follow am relate with the language wey him understand. That is the easiest and the fastest way your customer can understand you and then buy from you. Now note, we do not sell our product no matter what you are selling online. We do not sell it to people that we know, which is our family members, our friends and our followers. We sell our product to complete strangers, people that we do not know. So if a stranger is communicating with you with a language that he or she understands, if you understand that language, abeg follow and speak. No be everything be English, alright? So just in case you still want to learn more about sales and marketing, there is a link to my profile. Of course, I will see you on my WhatsApp.